To use JotPad, install the extension by clicking Add to Chrome button. JotPad allows you writing notes in one click so you don't lose an idea. Right-click the app's icon and pin to title bar for easy access. Now, open the extension side panel by clicking the JotPad's icon. No waiting, no lag. Just pure speed. Jot your notes and save it and access later from the side menu. You can read privacy policy and terms and conditions here. The app is safe and we don't collect your data. We have added a welcome guide to help you navigate through the app. In case you need to write formulas and equations, JotPad supports Markdown and LaTeX. To help you protect your eyes, the app supports dark theme. Theme applies across the pages instantly. You can also save the notes directly from here. Use this button to share current notes with friends and colleagues. If side panel is not enough for you, you can open JotPad in a full new tab. Open Settings page to customize your experience. Our app is fully free for basic users, but you can also buy our optional premium subscription, which gives extra features like cross-device sync, app lock and encryption. Add JotPad to Chrome today, it's free. And enjoy a seamless, beautiful experience right now. Thanks for watching. Share JotPad with your friends and colleagues.